Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make moi moi. It's a Nigerian delicacy that is made out of beans. I'll be using peeled beans for this moi moi. I'll soak it in water to soften the beans to enable me to blend it. So sit back and watch how this process goes. I'll be using egg, peeled beans, bell pepper and onion. Then I'll blend them. This is my paste that I've gotten out of the blended beans. I'll add egg, and that egg is going to be a whisk egg so that the texture can be together, a bit coagulating together. I'll mix it, add my vegetable oil to the mixed beans. You could see that the beans is coming out very reddish because of that bell pepper. So you don't use tomatoes in your moi moi, you use that bell pepper or sweet pepper that I used. That will make the moi moi come out very reddish. I'll stir it to my own consistency. I'm not going to add a lot of water to this because when I was blending it, I add lots of water and I don't want it to be too light. I want it to be a bit thick. So I stir to my own consistency. You can see how it's going. Afterward, I'll be adding my salt, my Maggie cube and crayfish. But before I add my Maggie cube, I usually soak it in water to soften it. You can see this is the Maggie cube. I'll add water to it, make it very light so it can dissolve very well in my moi moi. Some people usually blend it with the beans if you want to, but for me, I add water to my own to make it very light and dissolve easily. You see me adding 2 spoons of crayfish to the moi moi to give it taste. And I'll add my Maggie cube that is already soaked in water to this moi moi. Say it. I'll add it into it. With this water in this Maggie cube, it makes it dissolve very quickly. I don't have to stress myself at all. Then I'm still going to stir everything that I've added now to my own consistency, the way I want it to be. So you stir gradually, stir very well. And after stirring, I get my ramekins. I'll be using the aluminium one for this because that is what I have at home. You can use anything. Some use ceramic, just depending on what you have. Some use some pouches. What you have to just fill in your moi moi. Is it okay? I'll just add it quietly and smoothly into my ramekins. So as I pour, I'll be using egg and I'll be using sardine as a top up for this moi moi. So you see me pouring them one after the other into the ramekins. Then I'll add my egg, I'll add my sardine into it. Yeah, I'll do it for each of them until the moi moi paste is finished. And that's it. I add my egg as a top up and I add my sardine. That's all. Moi moi is one of the easiest delicacies to make. It's so quick and simple. You don't need much. So without so much. So while I'm doing this, I'll make sure that the water I have in my pot is already boiling. So when I just add in the moi moi, to just heat up quickly. Within an hour, your moi moi is cooked. You can see the beautiful face of this moi moi. I'll bring it off the fire and allow it to cool down very well. And once it's cooled down, it's ready to be consumed. And that's how you make your moi moi. Just quite easy and simple. Remember, you don't use tomatoes in moi moi to get that reddishness. No, it's the bell pepper or your sweet pepper that makes it comes out nicely. So let's test what we've cooked. You can see the texture. This texture came out nicely like this because of that whisked egg that I added to it. It's so fluffy and so nice. It comes out nicely. Wow.